Welcome to this video walkthrough of a top floor 1-bedroom in Melrose. All right, let's zoom out. So hardwood floors throughout. Okay, we walked right into the foyer. There is a lot of stuff throughout this apartment, so it might seem a little bit smaller than it actually is. So let's zip right over into the kitchen. As you can see, we have a full kitchen here. Not so much counter space, but we have a full fridge, gas stove, cabinets up top, a little counter right there, and a great size window with a nice little view. So you can crack that window open, get some ventilation while you're cooking. And then back into the hallway, utility closet right here, not so big. And then another closet right over here, which is a utility, definitely a utility closet. There's just it's just enough room for a ironing board. Full bath, toilet, sink, vanity, and a standing shower tub combo. All right, as per the usual here in Boston. Bedroom right over here. So decent size, okay. We do have a window over here. Heat and hot water included, by the way. All right, so again, top floor, you're getting some really nice views and sunlight. All right. Closet, decent sized closet right there. And then we have probably the nicest feature throughout the whole unit is this living room with, you're on the corner of the building, so you're getting two different exposures looking out. I think that's facing north, if I'm not mistaken. All right. So tons of sunlight. It's a shame that there's... Sorry for that technical difficulty, but just wanted to make sure you get all the views from here. All right. So yeah, good sized living room. As I was saying, heat and hot water included. Laundry coin operated in the basement of the building. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Angel@lmcrealtyboston.com for more information. Thanks and enjoy.